In some previous talk, we hinted at that feminists prepared lists of words which are sexist, and they gave them to lexicographers that be aware of the use of these words, and gave alert to warning to your readers and users that they should avoid the use of these terms for women. In this module, you will know more about it. Feminists say that dictionaries promote norms. Dictionaries and grammars, definitely, they both are based on norms. But who makes these norms? They are gatekeepers and do not enter words against norms. Feminists think that dictionaries are gatekeepers. They enter only those words which are acceptable, culturally acceptable. They don't allow such words which are against norms. For them, every word is defined subjectively. Feminists think that if this is the case, then this is not something that we can say unbiased. Here judgment is involved. This is according to norms, this is against norms. So this entry of words into dictionaries is subjective. Word meanings support stereotypes about women because words carry norms with them, and gender norms are part of those norms, and they become part of meanings of the words in dictionaries. So in this way, dictionaries promote gender stereotyping. Dictionaries do not mark offensive words. For these reasons, feminists made their own dictionary. This was their attempt to avoid dependence on general dictionaries. And one dictionary that is known as Feminist Dictionary was compiled by feminists. There may be more, but I would suggest that you download it in PDF form and find out the difference in meaning of the words which they have included in their dictionary. Interestingly, this dictionary, they say that general dictionaries are subjective, they are biased, and what they themselves did in this dictionary, the source of the entries which they included in this dictionary were writings of females. But the results are encouraging. Okay, though they made such efforts which apparently look very mild, but they, to a great extent, they remained successful. They invited attention of dictionary writers to this issue of stereotyping and especially sexism. It led to gender equal entries in dictionaries. This is the change. Lexicography in this way has been feminized. But in this effort, actually what happened, we went to the other extreme. Though to a moderate level, but the result was to go to the other extreme, from the extreme which were pointed out by the feminists. Co-build dictionaries. Co-build, they are publishers of dictionaries. So their dictionaries are popular as gender equal dictionaries because they don't allow any entry in the dictionaries which contains sexism.